Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to block someone LinkedIn profile in your LinkedIn account. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to open a LinkedIn account, your LinkedIn account, and if you want target someone, especially his profile, so it's very simple. Just like this is my LinkedIn account and this is a person I want block his LinkedIn profile, so I'm not seeing his name any of the place in my LinkedIn account. Just simply tap it, after that more, and remove connection and report and block. Just simply block, and that's it. Now you are not receiving any notification from this person, as well as his profile or picture not visible on your LinkedIn. If you access now, so his name is not displaying here or any other places. So this is a simple process to block LinkedIn profile someone. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.